So a lot of artists think that once you upload your music to DistroKid or TuneCore, it's automatically registered with ASCAP or BMI. That is not true. If your song is not registered with your PRO and you don't physically do this, then you can literally be missing out on money that's already yours. Hey, for those of you who don't know me, my name is LoNdoN, music producer and your guide to the music business without all the gatekeeping. If this sounds like something you can benefit from, hit that bell and subscribe. You can also follow me and my brother Zen for fire music and more artist tips on YouTube, IG, and TikTok. Let's get into it. So let's start off with what a PRO actually is. A PRO stands for Performance Rights Organization. These are the folks who make sure you get paid whenever your music is performed publicly. So here I'm talking about radio, live shows, TV, and even certain types of streams. In the US, the main ones that we talk about are ASCAP, BMI, and SESAC. SESAC is invite only, so most of us join ASCAP or BMI. I highly recommend ASCAP because it's free to sign up as a writer and as a publisher. Here's the deal though. If your music isn't registered with your PRO, then they literally don't even know your song exists. So that means that they can't collect royalties on your behalf. And since they can't collect them, they can't pay them to you. It's literally like having a check waiting for you at the bank, which I know we don't use checks anymore, but bear with me here. And then there's no name on the check. Before you jump on the site, here's some things that you want to have on hand. Trust me, having these things that are already done will make your life a lot easier when it comes to this process. This is how you register your music. You log into your account, click on Works, and then click Register a New Work. You want to fill in all the self-explanatory info like the song, your title, your writer name, your publisher name, and all of your different percentages. Always make sure that you double check and confirm your percentages. These percentages can also be called splits. Once you submit, boom, that's it. Your song is officially in the system, and now your PRO can track it whenever it's played on the radio, performed live, or streamed. Now that we know what to do, let's talk about what not to do. 1. Forgetting to add all of your co-writers or your producers and making your splits incorrect. 2. Registering the wrong song. I know this sounds like a no-brainer, but registering lots of music is easy to get mixed up. And 3. Not signing up for your publisher account so that half your royalties literally never show up. Think of it like a pizza with half the royalties being given to the writer and the other half being given to the publisher. Guys, don't let these simple mistakes block your bag. It really is that simple, and this only takes 5 minutes to do. Remember, registering with your PRO only covers performance royalties. So if you want to collect other publishing royalties, you'll have to register for the MLC and Sound Exchange. To wrap this up, make sure you join a PRO. Register every single song that you release, and then double check your splits because it's one of the easiest ways to make sure that you're not leaving money on the table. If you learned something from this video, drop a fire in the comments and tag an artist friend who hasn't registered their music with their PRO yet. If you want to go deeper, make sure you grab my free Publishing Royalties Playbook. It breaks down every type of royalty that an indie artist can earn. See you next time.